Hello, good morning, and welcome to Market Master and Market Master Duo episode 3. We're going to check the last week's results from Market Master and Market Master Duo to see if we are on our way to have the best month of this year. And here you can see the results. I opened this account at the end of March, and now we are close to 12% profit. And if we speak about numbers, we just exceeded last week the $1,000. At this moment, we're at $1,019. The drawdown was not that bad, with a maximum of 5%. The total gain was close to 12%, with an average monthly of 2.81, but I'm pretty sure that after this month, this average will be higher. This week's profit was 0.7%. Anything over 0.5% a week, I consider to be a good result. This means almost $87 with a lot size that was used of close to 1 lot. And overall, only 5 trades. And when I say only, actually it's not that bad, but keep in mind I'm having here 2 EAs, the Market Master and the Market Master Duo. Since I opened this account, there were 104 trades with a profit factor of 1.94. 68% of the trades were closed in a profit, 71 trades out of 104, and 30 trades were closed in a loss. But keep in mind, because this is a grid martingale, closing in a loss doesn't mean an overall loss. And over 12 lot size were used since I opened this account. The average trade duration was 2 days, and you can see now there's 1 trade open on the euro dollar. This means that the Market Master has opened a trade with a 0.15 lot size, and at this moment it's at a small loss. So either this will go lower and maybe a second trade will be open at 0.3, or it will go higher and it will close up in a profit. April, $91, but keep in mind the month of April, the balance was much smaller. I started this account testing it with $1,000 real money. Then I increased during the month of April to close to $4,000. Then it went to $5,300. Then again I increased to a little under $10,000, and then I increased it to a little over $12,000. And at this moment it's at $12,579. So $91 in April, $237 in May, $257 in June, and July, the best month ever, $432. And if you look at the percentage, 3.7, 1.1, slow month, 2.51, and now we are already at 3.91, and we still have a week and a half of trading left this month. And I'm pretty sure this is one of the main reasons why you came to watch this weekly series, so we can actually see the results. The first trade that was closed during this week was on the 14th of July. The trade was open on the 13th of July at 9 o'clock in the evening on the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, with a starting lot size of 0.15. This is level 1. And it was closed 10 hours later, 8:30 in the morning, with a nice overall profit. The second trade was open at 3 o'clock in the afternoon on the 14th of July on the euro dollar. This means that this was the Market Master. The first level was 0.15. And then, actually, because it was quite an aggressive move that happened because of the news from the US, half an hour later, the second level was opened at 0.3. And we can see this trade happening here. This was the first one, and this was the second one. Half an hour later, this was quite an aggressive move, which the EA caught really nicely, almost on top. So when that move had a small bounce to the downside, it closed 2 hours later, almost at 7 o'clock in the evening in the same day. Both levels were closed. The first one, which opened here in a small loss, in this case of $31 loss. But the second one that opened here, it went definitely in our direction, and because the lot size was doubled, 0.3, a total of $86. So you can say a total of $55 profit out of these 2 trades. And these 2 were the only Market Master trades that happened this week. And of course, keep in mind that we have a trade open on the 16th of July at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, 0.15, level 1. And for now, it's not really going in our direction. It opened here, hoping for the price to increase. It didn't increase yet. Let's see how the price starts back on Monday. And the last 2 trades happened on the Market Master Duo on the 15th of July, New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, level 1, closed in a nice profit. And on the 17th of July, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, level 1. This one I closed myself manually. It was end of the week. It was very close to reaching a profit in this case, so I closed manually at 8.03 profit. And of course, don't forget, you can find both of these EAs on the marketmaster.com, the vendor's website, where you can buy them separately or together, either with the 3 license options or with only one license options, which I purchased. And of course, if you want to purchase them, my recommendation is to use the discount code in the description and the link. You're going to get a nice 10% discount using Daniel10. And of course, to do trading, you need to have a broker. IC Trading, it's a great broker. You have 1 to 500 leverage and 24/7 dedicated support. And you can trade Forex, indices, stocks, commodities, bonds, and digital currency there. If you don't have an account open with them, by clicking on the link in the description, you are helping this channel. Thank you very much. And this was the Market Master and the Market Master Duo for this week. Quite a good week. Not that far for 1%, which is amazing in a week. Only 5 trades overall, 3 by the Market Master Duo and 2 by the Market Master. And 1 trade is open over the weekend. I hope you enjoyed the series and I look forward to seeing you in the next episode, episode number 4. I wish you a profitable week.